Hey there, art enthusiasts and Guardians of the Galaxy fans. Welcome back to our artistic corner of the galaxy. In today's video, we're focusing on a complex and layered character from the Marvel Universe, the fierce and formidable Nebula. Get ready to immerse yourself in art and hit that like button to let me know you're on board. As we prepare to sketch Nebula, let's briefly explore who she is. Nebula, first appearing in the comics in 1985, is an intense character with a powerful story. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, we see her as the adopted daughter of the Mad Titan, Thanos, and the sibling rival of Gamora. She's a survivor, a warrior, and in her own words, she's your worst nightmare. Let's get started on the basic structure of Nebula's face and body. As I do that, let's chat more about her. Nebula has a tragic backstory, filled with pain and manipulation at the hands of Thanos. It's this intense past that shapes her into the deadly and relentless fighter we know. Nebula's character development is one of the most remarkable in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. She begins as a villain, filled with anger and resentment towards her sister Gamora. However, as the storyline progresses, we see her evolve into an anti-hero and eventually become an ally to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, we're moving on to the intricate details of Nebula's features, and it's the perfect time to discuss her unique look. Nebula's design is distinctively alien, with her blue skin, bald head, and glowing cybernetic enhancements. These elements not only make her visually striking, but also are a symbol of her struggles and survival. In the films, Karen Gillan brings Nebula to life with an impressive performance. Gillan skillfully portrays Nebula's complexity and vulnerability, capturing her strength, rage, and the subtle shades of her character's evolution. As we're bringing our sketch to life with color, let's talk about Nebula's journey. Despite her harsh exterior, Nebula has shown herself to be capable of forming relationships, and her character arc is deeply tied to these relationships, especially her bond with her sister Gamora. Nebula's story is about resilience, transformation, and redemption. From a tortured tool of Thanos, she has grown into a character with a sense of purpose and a will to fight for what's right. Despite her dark past, Nebula's story shows us that it's never too late to change and choose your path. As we finish off the sketch with final details and shades, remember that Nebula represents a journey from victimhood to empowerment. Her character stands as a testament to the indomitable will of survival, reminding us that no matter how hard the circumstances, one can always fight back. And there you have it, our very own sketch of the indomitable Nebula. It's always exciting to draw characters with such rich backgrounds and complexities. Remember, every line, every shade adds depth to your drawing, just like every experience adds depth to a character. I hope you enjoyed today's drawing session. I'd love to see your rendition of Nebula, so don't forget to share your art and tag me on social media. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share with your fellow artists, and subscribe to stay updated on future drawing sessions. Remember, just like Nebula, art can be a journey of transformation and discovery. It can be a source of resilience and a testament to your imagination. So keep drawing, keep learning, and keep exploring the galaxies of your creativity.